I downloading the Linux desktop. As you see, I search it in the Google and I got here. I got the setup. Setup is downloaded. Second, I downloading server Linux setup. I'm waiting for it. Then after I download it, then I click on download. After search it, here is the Ubuntu server and the Ubuntu desktop Linux. All of them are downloaded. I'm waiting for the finish. Here they left it 2 minutes for Ubuntu server and 8 minutes for Ubuntu desktop. Let me wait for the end. Then here is the end of downloading. Ubuntu server is here on download on my desktop, and I here on the virtual machine click new in order to submit, in order to install it. I set the VM name, then I go to here on order to select that one I downloaded on the server is here. Then I click, then I set the username and password, then next, then I expand the memory, then I click finish. Here the Linux server it comes. Then after I'm gonna to install desktop, I click here, then I click next, then I set the passwords, then set the password, I expand the memory. Here we see are done. Here we see Linux server is coming. And where the desktop Linux, this is here, it comes. Thank you. My work are done.